Today's quick tip is creating a drape fold for a card front. So we're going to actually create something like this. And we're starting with a piece of DSP that is 4 inches by 9 7/8. And what we're going to do is score that at, this is the scoring one, not the cutting one, be very careful. Score that at 1.5 and 2.5, then 4.5, 5.5, 7.5 and 8.5. And then we're going to want to make a mark that is 1 inch down from the side of the paper here. So you could do with this with a pencil. I prefer to just use the tool to make a mark. Then you want to get that lined up so that line, the mark you've just made, is in the cutting groove, and down here at the other end you want this end lined up with the first score mark that you've created. So we've got that lined up there and there, and we're going to cut away on that one so that we've got a piece that looks like that. And then we're going to simply pleat these. So the first one we're going to make is going to be a valley fold, and fold that back along the next one. And I like to use a bone folder for this. Then fold again, valley fold, mounting fold, and crease that into place, and valley fold, mounting fold, the last one. Now this has been measured and created so that it will fit on a card front that is this size. So this is, let me check, this is 3 7/8 by 5.5. In actual fact, you might find, because of the pleating that happens, it may fit exactly, or you may find that it's actually a little bit short, because a lot happens with the pleating. It depends on exactly where you've made your fold lines. If it ends up a little bit short, I would suggest just trimming a slight edge off here. That one is going to fit. So that is your pleat fold, and that can be used to create a card such as this. I hope that helps. I hope you enjoy these tips. If you do, please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again sometime in the future.